Hey everyone, welcome back to new tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can hide and unhide a comment on Instagram. As you know that Instagram allows you to manage your comments by hiding or unhiding them. So in this video I will guide you step by step process how you can do all those things. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. Then click on your profile icon. Then select the post in which comments are there. I will select one. Now you can see these three comments are there. In that click on that option, comment option. Now you can see here hide, reply hide is there. Click on hide option. Now you can see that this comment is hide from you. If you want unhide, then again click on this option only. Click on that. Now you can see the unhide option. Click on that. Now again click on unhide. So in this way you can hide or unhide comment on Instagram. Remember that hiding comment will remove them from public views, but the user who posted the comment will still be able to see it. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.